Okay, so going on to a new chapter. It's chapter 20. It's called Apply Measure. What it is, it's all about measurements and different like areas and volumes and squares and all things like that. So first thing we're going looking at, okay, it's not too bad. Okay, it should be nice and easy. Hopefully most of you would recognise a lot, but anyway, so it's 20.1. This is just the sections. Okay, so for your summer exam, okay, which I'll explain at a later date, it's only going to be two sections. So 20.1 is the first section of this chapter. It's called units of measurements. So the main measurement system that we use is called the metric system. Okay, and that is the things like the millimeters, the centimeters, the meters, the kilometers. Okay, so that's what these all are here. So these all stand for mm is your millimeters. That's the really small one. Your cm is your centimeters. Your m is your meters, and km is kilometers. Okay, so you all have rulers. Okay, and these are all seen on your rulers. Okay, so I want to bring it up there. See if you can see it. So you're going to have all here. So let's zoom. So all the small ones, okay, it's a bit blurry, but all the small ones here are all millimeters. There we go. All the small ones are all millimeters. So that's 1 millimeter there too. Each one of these, so where it says 10 there, that's 1 centimeter. Yeah. So how it works then. Okay, so you all know what the ruler looks like. You all know millimeters, centimeters, meters, kilometers. Okay. How it works is they're all multiples of 10. So 10 millimeters, as you've seen on my ruler, is 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters is 1 meter. So my ruler is 30 centimeters. So I need 3 rulers and another bit of a ruler to make up 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter is about probably, you put your hands out, okay, maybe it's nearly a step. Okay, so 3 of those will be 1 meter. So 100 centimeters is 1 meter, and then 1,000 meters is a kilometer. So look at this, these are all multiples of 10. So 10 millimeters is a centimeter. You multiply 10 by 10, which is 100. 100 centimeters is a meter. Multiply 100 by 10, which is 1,000. 1,000 meters is a kilometer. It's all multiples of 10. It's all very nice. Okay, there's other systems that say America use that aren't as nice. Okay, so we're really used to this. Now this diagram is really handy. Okay, make sure you take this down. Make sure it's really neat because you'll be using it a good bit. Okay, so what this does is it explains how you get from millimeters to centimeters to meters to kilometers and backwards. It also tells you how you get from kilometers to meters to centimeters to millimeters. So the red arrow first tells you how to get from millimeters to centimeters. That's dividing by 10. How to get from centimeters to meters, divided by 100. And to get from meters to kilometers, divided by 1,000. And the same backwards. Okay, so make sure you have the arrows in the right spot. To get from kilometers to meters, you multiply by 1,000. To get to meters to centimeters, you multiply by 100. And to get from centimeters to millimeters, you multiply by 10. Okay, so I'm just going to do a few quick questions. Okay, I'm going to leave this up because this is a handy guide that you can keep. So, question 1, question 2, and question 3. I'm going to do 3 quick questions. So you need to convert. First one, 50 millimeters to centimeters. That's question 1. Question 2, 3,700 meters. Let's go underneath. 2 kilometers. And question 3, 4.7 meters to centimeters. Okay, so you're going to pause the video, give those 3 questions a go, using this tool, see what you get. You can use your calculator, okay? And I'm going to go through them now. So the first one, converting millimeters, which is the smaller unit, into centimeters, which is the larger unit. So we're going from millimeters to centimeters. What we're told here, going from millimeters to centimeters, the red arrow, you divide by 10. So we're going to have 50, that's your millimeters, divided by 10 is equal to 5 centimeters. Answer to the first question, hopefully you got that one. Okay, question 2, you're going from meters to kilometers. Again, we're using the red arrow because we're going up the way, meters a smaller unit to a larger unit. So you're going to divide 3,700 divided by 1,000. Divided by 1,000, and 3,700 divided by 1,000, you can get your calculator if you want. It is 3.7 kilometers. Okay, really important as well, you include your centimeters and your kilometers. You can't, if you give an answer of 3.7, that could be anything. Okay, so you have to make sure you include your kilometers. And we'll go from meters to centimeters. So this time now, we're actually using the blue arrows. We're going from meters back to centimeters. So 4.7 meters. To go backwards from meters to centimeters, you multiply by 100. So 4.7 meters multiplied by 100, so it's going to be a much bigger number. You can do it in your calculator, 470 centimeters. Okay, hopefully you got maybe 2, hopefully most of you got 3 of those. Okay, so rub this out now. What you can go and do now is in your books on page 321, you can do question 1, part A, B, G, and H. So just do 4 parts of question 1, and the exact same for question 2. Do A, B, G, and H. So how the questions work, and hopefully you know it by now. A's and B's are always the easier ones, and they get harder in the middle, and the last ones are the harder. So you can do 2 ones at the start and 2 ones at the end. So the 2 easiest ones and then the 2 hardest ones. If you find these way too easy, okay, try maybe a few more of the harder questions. So even if you want to do maybe E and F as well, okay, if you find these questions too hard, maybe go back up and give C a go. So if you're not able to get G or H, go back up, give C, D, and maybe it might help you get G and H then. Okay, so give them a go.